Page number 53, if I am not wrong, you can find labeling the diagram question type, right? Labeling the diagram tasks, diagram completion tasks. You can see power plant structure or something of that sort, right? Hydropower plant, right? Prior knowledge about hydropower plant definitely useful to answer this to get more number of questions correct. So this is the paragraph based on which you should be able to label the diagram, right? Okay. We will also check the follow-up questions which are not actual IELTS exam questions, but to introduce you how examiner, the test maker paraphrase the questions to create questions, paraphrase the passage information to create questions. So first one, what is this, reservoir or what? Is there any other word given in the paragraph? Most hydropower plants rely on the dam that holds back water, creating a large reservoir behind it. Okay, reservoir has been mentioned. Is there any other word mentioned? This reservoir is used as a recreational lake, maybe lake that you can write. Let's see. Is also known as intake. Yes, instead of reservoir, what's the other word given in the passage?
Intake.
Intake. The second one, generator must have consisted of something else. What is that? Generator consisted of what?
AC
Generator
current.
consisted of what? Generator consisted of what? That's the question I have to answer making use of. Yes, gates on the dam open, gravity pulls the water through the penstock, a line of pipe that leads to turbine. Water builds up. I need generator information. Water builds up pressure as it flows through this pipe. The water strikes and turns the large blades of the turbine, which is attracted to, yes, which is attached, sorry. Attached to a generator. What attached? Are they blades of turbine? Right, turbine which is attached. Maybe generator might contain the turbine also, no, attached, no? So let's see any other. Can we write turbine or not? So if if the blades of turbine, large blades of turbine are actually attached to generator, you can't write large blades of turbine in the blank. Any other? Let's see. Above it, by the way of shaft, as a turbine blades turn to series of magnets inside the generator. Yes, so that is so meaningful, no? Generator consists of magnets. Generator was attached to blades of turbine, so I can say generator consists of magnets is the right one. Generator consisting magnets. I can't write blades of large blades of turbine or something. Generator won't contain. It has clearly been magnets inside the generator. So clear. Generator consisted of magnets. The next one, transformer. I need a word related to transformer. What we have? What's the answer for the third one? What is this? It is transformer, in fact. Again, the arrow mark is pointing towards the transformer. Might be some word related to transformer is necessary. Okay, to fill in the blank.
Powerhouse.
Powerhouse. Yes, you're right. The transformer located inside the powerhouse. Yes. You should have written powerhouse, right? The next one, fourth one, turbine. So there must be some information related to turbine. The arrow mark is showing arrow mark is showing something, uh, something, the rotor and shaft, something. Yes, let's see. This is the turbine as per turbine and the generator. Turbine and the generator must have been connected, through something else. Turbine and the generator. Let's read the paragraph. Turbine which is attached to a generator above it by the way, through a shaft. Turbine and generator had been connected by the way of a shaft. By the way of means through. So that must be shaft. Sorry, fourth one, no? Shaft. Any doubt? Finally, what we say about it? There is a gate and something like water, or right? What's this? What can we say about this? Control gate or high voltage current? Gates, yes, control gates. Gates on the dam open and gravity pulls the water through a penstock. That's actually a penstock, a kind of pipe. Line of pipe that leads to the turbine. Yes, that leads to the turbine. Right, control gates open the water. Yeah, control gate opens the water. Right. So the water, the penstock. Control gates open the water, pulls the water through the penstock. Penstock is a kind of pipe or something, right? Is it clear, buddies? Is everything clear?
Yes, yes.
So this is how you should be able to make use of the information given in the passage to label the diagram. So, the turbine, whatever already labeled, okay, already labeled the things, already labeled equipment from the diagram have been used to answer, to label the rest of the things from the diagram, right? The next one, it is just to check the paraphrases. So replace the underlined words below the appropriate phrases from the text. Okay, in this sentence, uh, other than the phrases given in the passage have been used to give the same sense. So these sentences are actually paraphrase versions of the sentences given in the passage. Right? These four sentences are somehow paraphrase versions of the sentences given in the passage. Yeah. So paraphrase version means he might have used different vocabulary, different sentence structures. Please try to match them, from passage text to this question text. Yeah. The dam helps contain the water and produces reservoir. Underline portion, helps contain. For helps contain, what is the other word or other phrase giving the same sense from the passage, from the paragraph? Helps contain. The dam helps contain. Dam helps contain water. The dam that holds back water.
Holds back.
Yes. So instead of holds back, the examiner, the test maker comes up with phrases like helps contain to create a question. Produces, what we have, produces a reservoir. Creating large reservoir.
Creating large.
Right. Please observe this. The form has been changed. Produces is actually a verb. Creating is verb plus ing form, kind of gerund. Creating given in the question, but in the statement it was changed to produces, but without changing the meaning. That's what we call it as a paraphrase. The water moves through the pipe and increases in pressure. Moves. Instead of moves, what do I have to write? Moves through.
Leaks.
We have flows through. Flows through the pipe. You can see here, no? In the statement it was given moves through. In the passage it was flows through. Increases the pressure. Pressure. Where is the pressure? Yeah. Builds up the pressure. Correct? Builds up the pressure. Right. Okay. So we have holds back, creating, uh, flows through, builds up. Yeah. Next. The water rotates the blades. Water strike turns the large
Turns.
blades. So what do you have to write?
Turns.
Turns. Connected to. Or connected in this question sentence. We have attached.
Attached.
Correct. The transformer changes the AC current into more powerful one. So what do we have in the passage for giving same sense like changes into? Changes into,
Converts into.
yes, converts to. We don't have into, but we have converts to. Converts to. Okay. Clear? So we are going to do another difficult handout tomorrow. If necessary, we will continue our reading on Monday also. So, but at any cost, we have to close the reading module on Monday. Okay. On Tuesday, we are going to start new module. Yes, there will be passages. Uh, there will always more number of passages. Even we discuss more number of passages in the classroom, right? It's all about, you know, learn the strategies, check how to detect the paraphrases, from passage to question, right? And have practice, get your doubts clarified. That definitely assures you score improvement. So we have clearly explained the strategies to be followed, to improve your scores. So give a test on ieltsonlinetest.com, check the answer explanations, and start working on each and every sentence of all the passages to understand accurate meaning. Before you move on to next test, you must make sure yourselves that whether you have understood exact meaning of all the three passages from the previous test. If you haven't understood exact meaning of the passages you have already worked out, there won't be any improvement in your subsequent tests. Okay. In the way of understanding, in the way of improving your comprehension skills, understanding ability, I'll support you. You can directly call me on WhatsApp for support, for help, right? Okay.